Khatron Ke Khiladi 11 winner Arjun Bijlani is on top of the world, for it has been artist's journey to the winner's trophy and rupees 20 lakh in the reality show presented by Bollywood's hit director Rohit Shetty. After his victory was announced on Sunday night, Arjun said, "This was such a long and tough journey. I had to do a lot of hard work to perform well in the show. Sometimes I felt like I would give up, but I kept moving ahead and was able to reach the finale. And even after I reached that stage, it felt like there was a huge distance between me and the trophy. The final stunt, moreover, was really tough. I am so happy that I finally won the trophy." The stunt was performed by Arjun Bijlani, Vishal Aditya Singh and Divyanka Tripathi. Arjun was able to piff first runner-up Divyanka by 20 seconds and lift the trophy, plus take home the check and a car Vishal gave up midway. Being on KKK11 came with its share of dangers as suggested by the show name, Arjun said. "My left shoulder was dislocated and I was recommended surgery. I chose not to go for that option and I never told anyone about my injury. It was really tough for me to do the stunts, still I managed." When asked how it was to be away from the family and relocate for a while to Cape Town, Arjun said, "It was a learning experience as one has to do everything on one's own. It isn't easy to be away from your family even if you're injured or not feeling good. No one is there to care for you. No help is around you. You are on your own." Arjun added, "But yes, the stunts that we performed, you cannot do them even at an adventure park. The level of difficulty increases every day and you have to keep performing tougher stunts. I learned from this show that the most important thing in life is to overcome your fear and face everything with confidence. Then only you will be able to solve problems." Talking about his most memorable moment, Arjun said, "I think it was when Rohit sir said during the semi-final, 'Arjun, never do hoo-ha after winning any stunt.' That was the most special moment for me because whenever I would come back after completing a stunt, someone used to say something or the other. I never got a chance to enjoy my victory. And I used to keep telling myself to leave it and move ahead as I had done my bit. But as a host, Rohit sir used to observe every action and contestant closely, so when he made the comment, it was indeed memorable." He continued, "I was also able to make many good friends such as Astha Gill, Abhinav, Sana. In fact, I was on good terms with everyone. I still remember how they used to come to my room and we were so dependent on each other emotionally. Being away from our families, we shared a lot of things, sang songs together and did a lot of masti. They will be my friends for a lifetime." Divyanka, Arjun said, remained his biggest challenger till the very end, although he did believe that a number of those who got eliminated were really strong.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.